Ever been told you can't make money online because you're not a tech genius? Well, I'm about to blow that myth wide open. You might be thinking, but isn't AI stuff super complicated? Well, not anymore. It's changing the game, and you can cash in, even if you're not a coding wizard. AI tools are getting crazy good at everyday tasks. We're talking photo editing, writing catchy emails, even turning your rough ideas into blog posts. But hold on, do I need to build these tools myself? Nope, you just need to know how to use them to help clients. Feeling overwhelmed by the constant content creation for social media? What if you could leverage AI to generate fresh, engaging ideas and even craft high-quality posts? Businesses are hungry for this, and you can be their AI content creation wizard. Let's break it down. Here's your path to becoming a social media content whiz with AI. Step 1. Find your niche. Who do you want to help? Fashion brands, local restaurants, fitness coaches. Understanding their target audience is key. Step 2. Explore AI content generation tools. Jasper, Writer, and Shortly AI are great options. Experiment with generating post ideas, headlines, and even captions based on your chosen niche. Step 3. Become a content curator. AI can't replace your human touch. Use the AI-generated content as a springboard. Refine the ideas, add your own voice, and make sure it aligns with the brand's message. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Create mock social media content calendars for businesses in your niche. This showcases your skills and helps land paying clients. Once you're comfortable with a tool, create a no-nonsense freelance profile. Offer your new skill, set a low starter price to get those first jobs. Good reviews are your rocket fuel. You might be thinking, how do I actually get clients? Stay tuned, that's a whole other topic we'll tackle. The secret? Don't see yourself as the tech expert. You're the solution provider. AI is your powerful sidekick. Can you learn more complex stuff later? Absolutely, but there's money to be made right now with the basics. This is just the start. Like and subscribe for more AI money-making tips. Remember, comment below which AI task you're most excited about. Your vote decides my next video. Now go out there and build your online hustle. You got this.